So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect a Bluetooth accessory on Insta360 GO Ultra. You can connect a Bluetooth accessory like a remote for Insta360, but also you can just connect to Bluetooth headphones. And what they are for? First of all, you can watch your recordings from the camera, here in the gallery by using the headphones, and also you can use the built-in microphone from the headphones in order to record sound in a better quality and closer to you, right? Because if you have the camera on your chest, then probably the quality isn't the best. And if you have your headphones in your ears, it may be a bit better. So to do it, slide down from the top of your screen and go to the right, and now find Bluetooth. Now you'll need to put your device in pairing mode, and pairing mode is open like on different devices. It may be different. I can demonstrate on AirPods. On AirPods, it's opening the box and pressing and holding on the back button until you hear a little chime and a white light starts blinking. Now you can see they have appeared. And now I can use them. You can see it says microphone connected. So yeah, if I put my AirPods in my ears, now you can see this microphone level at the top. So when I start recording, it's gonna record from my headphones rather than from the camera itself. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.